This is my drawing of Christmas Garfield, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson along the top of our page with the bottom edge of the hat. We're going to start on the left side. We want to draw a curve that goes up the middle, go across, and then we'll bend that down towards the right. Now let's go back to the center of that curve, draw a straight line coming down to separate the eyes. And then right here, we're going to draw an oval for the nose. Let's draw the outside of the eyes. Starting from the left side of the nose, we're going to curve this down, around, and just pull that up underneath the edge of the hat. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Going all the way around and then up. Now along the bottom, we're going to add a curve from left to right, going down and then up across the eyelid. And we want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small half circle and fill that in black. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom of the nose, we're going to draw the edge of the mouth. Let's start with the left side. We're going to curve this down, go around the eye, and just pull that in. And then on the end, we're just going to add a little curve. Just do the exact same thing on the right. Going all the way around and then in towards the same height. Then we'll add a little curl. And then let's add the edge of the cheek. Starting from the side of the eye, we're going to go up, go around the corner of the mouth, and then in. Just add a few little spots along the outside. Let's connect the left and right side of the hat brim with a curve, like an oval for the head. We're going to go all the way around, come in toward the chin, go up on the right side, and we'll bend that in. Let's draw the hat brim. From the top left corner, we're going to step down, then it's around, and then in toward the top. And we'll round out the top, starting from left, going up, across, and then down. Now the ears are going to poke up from the top of the hat. Let's start in the middle with the left side. We're going to go up towards the top of the ear. Do the same thing on the right. Now we'll round out the top and then come down towards the bottom. Let's add a fold across the inside of the ear, starting from the top of that curve, come in and then down. And we want to add a little texture along the top. From here, just going to add these little points coming down towards the bottom. We're going to add that same texture along the side of the face. Let's start on the left side. Start with a curve coming down. Now each curve coming in is going to be a little bit shorter, so we're going to add 3. Let's move down and draw that again. So start with that long curve, then 2 smaller ones. And we'll add 1 more. Now we're going to draw the hat bending over towards the right side. So let's start up here, bend this up above the ears, bend this across and then down, step up, bend this up, around and then down toward the side, and just curl that out towards the end. Let's bend this back up toward the side of the head. Let's add that fluffy ball along the end, starting from the center, curl this around, pull it back in. That's going to work our way around this circle, adding these little curls going around the side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw in that large fluffy collar. We're going to start on the left side of the head. We're going to continue to add these little curls going around, come down lower in the center. I'm just going to pull this up and then in on the right side of the head. Let's leave a gap underneath the collar and draw the side of the body. So we're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then in. Let's draw the bottom of the coat. So we're going to step up, curl this around towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull this up towards the middle, come down towards the right, curl this around, just tuck that in. In the center of the body, we're going to draw an oval for the belt buckle. We're going to add some detail inside. Over on the right side, let's add a curl coming in. Now let's trace that oval along the inside. Let's draw on the belt. We're going to start up here, step up, curl this down, and then in towards the bottom left of the buckle. Go to the bottom right, curl this up. Now we're going to step up and draw that again, coming in towards the side. On either side, we're going to draw 2 lines coming down for the belt loops. Let's fill the inside of the belt in black. And go around that belt loop. Now with the arms, we're just going to tuck these in behind the body. Let's start on the left side of the collar. We're going to bend this out, round at the elbow, and just pull that in towards the side of the body on both sides. Now along the side of the body, we're going to add a fold, going up and then out. Now in the middle, we're going to add a curve for the body coming down and up. From the ends, draw a straight line coming down towards the ankles. Now I want to layer the left heel on top of the right heel, so I'm just going to curve this in, round this out, and then bend that out along the bottom of the foot. Let's go to the right side. Tuck this in behind, continue along the bottom, going out. Let's add the first toe. And come down and up with a small curve. Let's add a larger toe, go all the way around, go up and then in, almost like drawing a circle. Let's layer another toe in behind, starting along the bottom, close around, and then in. Now the last toe, we're going to start along the side, curve up towards the top of the foot, come in, and then down towards the ankle. And then along the bottom, we're going to add a fold. From the top of the fold, let's draw a straight line going up along the outside of the legs. Now I'm going to finish off by adding the tail coming out from the right side. So let's start underneath the coat, bend this down and out. Let's add a fold, stepping up, go out and then down. Draw the end of the tail, going around and in behind the foot. Now I want to add that same texture along the outside of the tail. And then along the end. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Christmas Garfield. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.